The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody. We are currently tracking what is left of potential Tropical Cyclone 8, currently located about 45 miles west of Cape Fear, North Carolina. Current maximum winds have been about 35 to 40 miles per hour throughout the system for at least the last hour, but it has sped up a little bit as it heads further to the northwest, about 11 miles per hour right now. We're already starting to see a lot of that cloud cover, as you can see up here, parts of Roanoke, Richmond, really just seeing overcast skies to end the day. And that's going to continue overnight, which is when we're going to see a lot of this widespread rain throughout most of the day. Now, for your future cast, let's time it all out for you. By about 3 a.m., we're going to start to see some of the heaviest rain enter the New River Valley and the far southwest parts of Virginia. Thunderstorm potential is going to be pretty limited with this storm, just due to the fact we're not going to have the daytime heating aspect over in the overnight hours, and it's going to be limited to parts of the coastal Carolinas and likely what we've already seen today. Flood risk. Thinking because we've been so dry recently, overall not really looking at widespread flooding, nothing like what we saw with Debbie about a month ago. And just really, if we do see any flooding, it's going to be in areas that have poor drainage or urbanized areas. So think of anywhere downtown on the streets. Just keep that in mind if you're heading out at any point today or tomorrow. By the time we get into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to still be overcast as this system starts to stall out, but then we'll have a few pop-up showers into the region and especially along the Virginia-North Carolina border, and then we could see some more widespread rainfall tomorrow night as well. Rain chances over the next 7 days, though. After Thursday, we start to really go down in rain chances. You can see we progressively get less and less percentages for rain over the next few days. 80% Tuesday, 60 Wednesday, 50 Thursday, and hopefully we'll be relatively clear for the weekend, maybe a few lingering clouds from this system. But overall, it's just been a really slow-moving system for most of the time up until a little while ago. So you can see with our satellite from earlier, really just going to have quite a few clouds, and the reason you're seeing this all dissipate is this is visible satellite, so once sun goes down, it's going to start to not be able to be seen, so we got to use infrared. But with that being said, the other aspect we have to look at is winds, because we could see some gusty winds over the next 24 hours, really, especially as we start to get overnight and into tomorrow morning. We just keep that in mind. Could see some downed branches and dead trees. So just have a way in case you lose power due to a tree falling on a power line or a power line going over. Now, over the next 7 days, again, rain chances until about Thursday, but then we'll start to clear up during the weekend. And as for your 4-zone forecast, that's going to continue with temperatures in the 70s, maybe getting up to about the 80-degree mark. But overall, the entire week, going to need the umbrellas because it's going to be quite a bit of rain from now up until about Thursday. Rachel?